Hello everybody, good evening. It is Andrea, your certified global voice under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown and your personal accountability coach. How are you doing today? I wish you were doing well. Today was an amazing day that I was able to enjoy and have fun while doing not the so fun tasks and errands you think. See, when you have a household, it is one thing to keep on top of things, but it's another when both or everyone in the house is occupied with their own tasks, jobs, dreams, and missions. And what seems to happen at certain times is that things fall by the wayside. But what's amazing is today, as a collaborative effort, as a family, we were able to get things done in all of our personal spaces with amazing results. And what I mean by that is that each of us knew what our agenda was, what we had to do, our roles and tasks, and we were able to successfully do it in a positive way. And what do I always say? All we did was just have to press play. Now, I don't mean plan life according to you, although I will get to that in a moment, but everybody had their own soundtrack to the task and job at hand, and it was able to get done. And everybody was working in separate parts of the home and getting things done, and at the end result, we were able to have an amazing afternoon and evening and get along. And that's what it's about. When you feel that your living space or you have something to take care of as a family, be bold enough, be brave enough, and allow each and every individual that's involved, give them an assignment, delegate, or let them choose themselves. What is the agenda? Speak first thing in the morning or the evening prior and plan it out. Figure out what do you want to achieve, definitely look at the weather, and allot or designate a certain amount of time that you're going to take on a task so it can be done. In other words, sometimes we are working towards spring cleaning. Other times we are looking towards getting ready for renovations. Other times we are getting ready for a trip, an event, or just getting ready for the weekend. And a lot of people tend, which I am one to speak upon, is that I love going out. I don't like to stay home. I've been home since March 17th, 2020. And I get to go out, with family and stuff, but I enjoy the weekends when everybody's home and we're able to enjoy the weather and do excursions, events, or just to kind of be out in nature. But what happens many times, more often than none, is that we come back to a home that it may be, things aren't put in the proper place, certain things haven't gotten done or taken care of, or we realize at the end of the weekend we have a lot to get done to prep for the next weekend. So just a few key nuggets, as this video is short because I have to wake up bright and early tomorrow and get ready for my debut, my premiere, my first 1 hour special. And I'm so grateful and honored to be featured and asked on this international radio and TV show to be requested for my own special. So let me tie this amazing gift of wisdom for you before we go. If you plan on renovating or decluttering or prepping for a vacation, a transformation, or you're starting something new within your living space, allow yourself to have a conversation with your family or all entities involved and get them involved so that then they can be involved to make the informed decision on how the work is going to be delegated. And the more you have effective communication and listening, then everybody can be in their own quadrant, doing their own thing with their own music, headphones, blasting music, or their imagination, and get the job done. It's all about the results. No excuses, just results, because results get you rewards, which get your vibration and frequency up, and more energy to do other things and celebrate thereafter. Well, I thank you so much for joining me this evening, as it may be morning or afternoon for you. And if you haven't already done so, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video, bringing you daily content every single day. Remember, in this chaotic world and this crazy life, you have the very single choice to press play. Plan life according to you. I'll see you then.